Europe, we are only allowed to grow BT corn, whereas in America you have other events like Roundup Ready, tolerant to herbicides, and Europe wants the farmer to be more and more sustainable. But is doing a lot of restrictions, in my opinion, too much restrictions to the farmers. So what they are imposing us are some norms to use environmentally friendly practices, which I totally agree and I am in favor. But then they don't allow us to use all the tools that make those environmentally friendly practices more efficient, like biotech crops. So what we're facing now is some problems controlling weeds. We are spreading an enormous amount of herbicides, and if we had other biotech crops like the resistant to herbicides, it would help us, because we would be able to reduce costs, to increase our production, and be more sustainable in our practices. I'm growing winter cereals like wheat, soft wheat and durum wheat. I'm doing barley, triticale, and I'm doing green peas too.
Okay. Our understanding in the United States is that there are fewer and fewer herbicides available to you in the European Union. Is that a correct impression?
It's absolutely right. We were in the market about 30 herbicides and pesticides were put out of the market in Europe, and we're not allowed to use them, like atrazine, like gramoxone. Some of the herbicides you can use here and make farming much more profitable and more efficient.
Right. What about glyphosate? Is that still available?
Glyphosate is still available, and I hope it will remain available. In one of our publications of the Ministry of Agriculture of our country, they were deciding some of the norms we have to respect if we use integrated pest management, which is a sustainable and a good practice. One thing, it's available in that report or that manual, is that the glyphosate is it's the herbicide which has the less impact on the environment. So I hope and I think the glyphosate will remain available and authorized in the European Union.